Welcome everybody to a review of the 2011 Hess truck. 2011, we saw something come back that Hess hadn't made. Oh my gosh, I wish that I'd looked at that before I said that. That Hess hadn't made since 2009, and that was a year. But they had brought a race car. But this here was the first time since, actually in a long time, that Hess had made a race car that was in just a regular bed truck. I think it might have been, actually let me just Google it, but I'm going to keep talking while I Google it. Okay, but Hess had made this nice truck here. Thank you for telling me my password isn't right. Okay, but I was going to say it's not right again. Okay, what Hess had was their truck and the race car. But they call it toy truck, obviously. There's the back of it, and there is the front. Now, this truck had a nice fancy little suspension on the front end of the car. It can roll out on the tailgate like this, but didn't work rolling out on the tailgate because it's a pullback car. To really the tailgate's just a waste of time unless you're going to drive it up. But then technically you got to pick it up to take it off. Okay. Bookmarks, we're going to go down. Okay. So what made this car interesting? What we've seen them give before. In 2003, Hess gave a Formula 1 car. With the other thing there. What am I doing that I don't know what I'm saying? Okay, they gave a Indy car in 2003 with the main truck. In 2009, they gave a more like 24-hour endurance race. And now they gave us more that was themed a NASCAR type racer. Now, I'm going through here, looking through the history. I know this because I actually found this, the HessToyTruck.com. Now, since 97, no, actually, no, not 97, because that would be the same as 2003. Okay, so since 1991, which was only the second time that Hess had ever put a basic car with they called the first time two toys in one, which was 1988. They did it again in 1991, and didn't see that same concept again until 2011, where you get a basic car on the back of a truck, just like this, open, out in the open too. Because we got ones in 92, 97, 2003, 2009 that all came with cars but were enclosed. So this time we see one out in the open for the first time since 91. And also in 1988, the first time they featured the year license plate so people could tell which year it came from. So that's basically about this